we are happy to be exposing our airplanes in this Bahrain Airshow, which is a beautiful opportunity for us to meet all the people and the interested pilots. This is the new Vision Jet, the new generation of the only single engine jet in the market for civil use. It is all our airplanes have the specific unique feature of the parachute for the whole airplane. So in case something really bad happens, the pilot can pull a handle and the airplane will go down with all the people inside to the ground in a safe way. And more than this, this is the most efficient and environmentally friendly airplane because the consumption is lower than any other jet. It flies 31,000 feet, 310 knots, and you can have inside 5 adults, including the pilot, and 2 kids. And there is a big interest because the pilot population in the GCC area is very enthusiastic, very happy to share experiences and to fly and so on. So it is a beautiful opportunity, this exhibition, because everybody is happy to share experiences and to talk about airplanes.